Hey, let's change your own Roku 4K Smart TV language, whether it's stuck in Dutch, Spanish, French, Portuguese, or you just want to switch back to English. Let's see how you can fix this quickly. If you can't spot it, press the up button once because system is usually at the bottom. Now look at the option with the gear icon. That means you are in the system menu. So now inside system, scroll all the way down until you see the language option. It's actually shown with a small chat bubble icon. So just open it and here we'll find available languages like English, Spanish, French, Portuguese and more. So just select English or your preferred language and then your Roku TV will load the new language and apply it instantly. And that's it. Your Roku TV language is now set correctly. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.